back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Casey, and in today's video we are going to be doing a spring kitchen refresh. I am super excited to be working with Purple Leaf on this video. They sent me some bar stools and we're going to be unboxing them, putting them together, and adding them to the kitchen. Everyone always complains about my current bar stools, including myself, because they're all metal and it's like a wire metal seat. It is so uncomfortable. So I am so excited to put these new bar stools together and give the kitchen a little refresh. Hopefully next on the agenda will be some new lighting over the bar, so stay tuned for that. But today we are going to be adding these bar stools and decorating for spring. Noticed during this video that I already put two of them together behind me, but I wanted to show you how simple and easy the installation process was. So I saved two for you guys. Also, if you want to know details to my outfit, I will have it linked below in the description box. A little fun fact about these particular bar stools, they're outdoor bar stools. So if you have a patio area that you need bar stools for, these are perfect. They're weatherproof and perfect for outdoors, super comfy, but also perfect for indoors too. Because you know, weatherproof also means kid-proof as well, or even mom-proof, because I'm pretty messy myself. I think it takes longer to take them out of the bubble wrap than to actually put them together. So I don't know if you've noticed, but I am filming on my phone in cinematic mode, which I never do, so hopefully that mode is okay. But the reason I'm using my phone is because my Canon G7X is so noisy. Like, there is a white noise in the background of all of my videos and it's driving me nuts. I need to get like an external microphone and try that out, but I gotta research mics and like figure out how all that goes. So for the meantime, I'm like, let me just use my phone because I noticed it does not have the noisiness. And I don't want y'all to click off of me because of that. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of all this trash. You don't even need tools for this, just one Allen wrench that comes with the chairs and 4 screws. And you don't need 2 people to do this. Just a good balancing act. Oh, I balanced this against something, I don't remember. But I'm gonna put these together just like this. Probably should have got my screws out first. Place it where the screws go. And once you get one screw in, you're good. So I've got the one screw in and I'm just using this wrench to get it tightened up. And now I don't have to worry about balancing it anymore. There it is, guys. It was that easy. Now we're gonna place them in the kitchen. Okay, I am just going to be adding a few spring touches to my kitchen. And remember that tray that I got at Home Goods? Well, I found a spot for it on my kitchen island. I have these adorable bunnies that I got at Pottery Barn several years ago that I'm going to be styling in this tray, along with my new vase that I got this spring from Walmart from the My Texas House collection. And then I also picked up those cute little carrots I'm going to stick in the bunny's basket, and I have a bunch of eggs left over from previous years, so I just filled the rest of the tray with those, and I think it turned out really cute for a fun Easter Island centerpiece. much fun decorating for each season, and spring is one of my favorite times of the year. Not only because my birthday is one day before the first day of spring, but spring is just such a beautiful time of renewal. We've all had the winter blues set in, and it's just so refreshing and renewing to see all of the plants start blooming again and everything just coming to life. I absolutely love the Easter holiday. We always celebrate by cooking a big Easter dinner in the afternoon and celebrating with family and having an Easter egg hunt for all of the kids. It's just so much fun. I love the tradition. I made a video one time where I made an entire Easter dinner, and I will link that right here if you guys want to check that out as well. I've got a lot of fun spring recipes that I want to try, so hopefully I will be able to share those in some upcoming videos. What are some things that you like to do every spring? Do you do a big spring cleaning? I feel like once the sun just starts shining through the windows and the weather starts getting warmer, it really motivates me to tackle some cleaning and organizing in my home that I had been putting off. One place I have to stay on top of is my closet. It can get pretty cluttered pretty fast, so I have a video coming up where I am updating my closet with a fresh new look, and I am super excited about what I've added, and I can't wait to show you guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. This is the finished look with all 4 bar stools in place. I think they look so beautiful. I can't wait to get new lights in here to complement them. Let me know what you think, but oh my gosh, they are so much more comfortable. I know when I have people over now, they're not going to be complaining about my uncomfortable bar stools for sure. Ordered this new cookware and I'm going to unbox it now. I got it because I think it matches my stove better. It's stainless steel with gold handles. Put it on a whim. It looks basically like what I have now, just with gold handles. Pretty much. It's a Martha Stewart cookware line. And it was like super affordable, so.
Don't
that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed decorating for spring and Easter with me. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my last video where I decorated my living room and dining room table for Easter. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!